Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. There is one common mistake that people often make, and that can result into expensive repairs, thousands of dollars in replacing computers, modules. We'll explain what it is, how we know about it. It happened to us back in the day, so we want to make sure you don't do that and don't spend money that you don't have to. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Dodge Charger or Dodge Challenger. As you know, both of these vehicles are built on the same platform, so multiple things will work exactly the same way. They share engines, transmission, suspension guys. So if you have a problem where you have engine light on the dash, and sometimes you may even have blinking engine light, you wonder what causes that. Now guys, before you start working on it, we've seen people that will replace parts, tools, sensors, engine computers. They'll spend thousands of dollars fixing a problem when they overlook something really simple. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you guys how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine lights, fuses, transmission. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, now quick thing, something that most people completely ignore, and we'll explain how they make that mistake, so make sure to stay until the end. Check this thing out guys. Now on that Dodge Challenger here, we're going to end up having 3 batteries, right? Those 3 batteries, now we want to show you something guys. Most people, when they have engine light or something, or their car starts malfunctioning, they never think about checking the battery. And these modern vehicles use multiple computers and systems, and when the voltage is not stable, you can get all kind of different codes, malfunctions, things like that. So let's turn the voltmeter. Most people test their battery with a voltmeter, right? And if we get that voltmeter, okay, let me set it here. Let's see what's going to happen now. If we check the voltage in this battery now, okay, check this thing out. This is a let me see, because I think we unplugged the probes. Okay, perfect. Now it's 12.56 volts, 12.56. Now check this battery here. This battery, okay, if we check this one, we're at 12.82. okay, so that tells us that this battery is better, right? Okay, now we want to show you one more that's in the vehicle. Now this one we're about to replace now, but if we come here, you're going to notice this battery here, that battery is most likely the worst one. But most people may experience something like this one, have really good voltage. 12.8 is amazing voltage for a car battery. And they will assume their battery is good. They'll start replacing sensors, even engine computers. We've seen all kind of cases guys. But I want to show you something. If you connect the battery scanner, we'll put a link in the description of the video below guys, where you can get them from. That way you don't waste money and time. That thing can save you quite a bit of money. That battery has 12.84 volts, and that battery is rated at 800 cold cranking amps. It's right here. And if we test it now, okay, it's charged. This is AGM battery. Okay, let's set it at 800. See what the battery tester will tell us now. It will display, check this thing out now, that we have 165 cold cranking amps out of 800, state of health only 3%. This battery is completely shot, and most people will think that this is amazing battery, so that should not be the thing causing them, okay, that trouble. So bad battery can cause multiple malfunctions, including engine light. Never overlook that thing. This one, that is at 12.58. check it out now. Okay, this one, it's again AGM battery, and this one is rated at 900, and at 900 if we test that one, that has a little bit lower voltage because it hasn't been used for a while, It has 960 code cranking amps, which is more than it's rated. That is practically almost like a brand new battery, even though it's 5 years old, state of the art 100%. So this battery is amazing battery. Now the one here, guys, if we test that one, okay, this one obviously has a really good sign that is short because it's only like 10.5 volts, 10.6. So definitely, guys, this battery, okay, it's in the vehicle. After charge, we just drove the vehicle the other day about 10 hours, guys, on a road trip. So it's been a while. This one is rated at 730 code cranking amps. And if we test it now, okay, check this thing out. What do we have, guys? This one we have 260 out of 730 amps. It says replace state of the art 40%, so this battery is short, guys. But when you have engine light on, malfunctions on a Dodge Charger or Challenger, one of the things, guys, to always do, test your battery with a battery tester, not a voltmeter, because often these vehicles use quite a few electronics, modules, computers. On some modern vehicles, even like BMW and Mercedes, you may experience like having up to 40, 50 different modules. And your Dodge will have quite a few too. In the doors will have one, under seats, multiple places will have computers, guys. So check those. Now, quick mistake people make when replacing a battery. We want to share this because it can cost you thousands of dollars if you do it the wrong way. You need to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to modules, computers, ABS brake module, engine computer, transmission computer, multiple things. How we know about that? Back in the day, we burned ABS traction control module on Mercedes C-Class that cost us $2,000, guys. That was a lot of money back in the day. It is even still today, but for any of you that do not know which battery terminal to disconnect or reconnect first, we'll put a link in the video description below to a video that will teach you how to do that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.